How do wage and hour laws affect meal and rest breaks? In recent news, wage and hour laws are making headlines as employees and employers navigate the complexities of meal and rest breaks. With many workers returning to the office, understanding these regulations is more important than ever. If you are wondering how these laws impact your workday, you are not alone. Let's break down the key aspects of meal and rest breaks under these laws. Wage and hour laws are designed to protect employees by ensuring they receive appropriate breaks during their shifts. These laws can differ from state to state, but they generally requiring employers to provide both meal and rest periods. For meal breaks, these are typically unpaid times when employees are free from all work duties. For instance, in California, if an employee works more than 5 hours, they are entitled to a 30-minute unpaid meal break. If the workday exceeds 10 hours, a second meal break is necessary. Employers must allow employees to take these breaks without interruptions. If an employee is required to work or stay on duty during a meal break, that time must be compensated as hours worked. Some states also consider meal periods as compensable hours if the employee is not fully relieved from duty or if the break is interrupted. Rest breaks are shorter and usually paid, lasting around 10 to 15 minutes for every 4 hours worked. Wage and hour laws mandate that these breaks be counted as hours worked, meaning employees must be paid for them. Employers must ensure that rest breaks allow employees to be relieved of all duties. Compliance with these laws is enforced by courts and labor agencies. They review employee time records and other evidence to determine if employers are meeting meal and rest break requirements. In California, for example, courts have found that employee testimony and time records are essential in deciding if breaks were properly provided. Employers may face class action claims if they fail to provide required breaks systematically. However, courts evaluate the quality of evidence before certifying such claims. Some wage and hour laws allow for agreements or alternative work schedules that modify break requirements. Employers and employees can agree on specific terms regarding breaks, but these agreements must comply with state and federal laws. Unauthorized work during meal breaks must be compensated as hours worked. Rest breaks are paid and count toward total hours worked for wage calculations. Employers are not required to pay for meal breaks if employees are fully relieved of their duties. Wage and hour laws play a vital role in ensuring employees receive the necessary meal and rest breaks. Employers must follow these regulations closely to avoid legal issues related to unpaid or missed breaks. Understanding your rights regarding breaks can help protect your health and well-being in the workplace.